In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept a ticket transfer on FIFA World Cup 2026. To get started, open the email or text message that contains your ticket transfer invitation. Before you click anything, take a moment to make sure the invitation came from the official FIFA ticketing platform. This is an important step because ticket transfers should only be accepted through the official system, and verifying the source helps you avoid scams or fake links. Once you've confirmed that the invitation is legitimate, click or tap the Accept Tickets or Accept Transfer link in the message. That will take you to the FIFA ticketing sign-in page. From here, sign in using the same email address that received the transfer invitation. Using the matching email is important because that's how the system connects the transferred tickets to your account. If you don't already have a FIFA ticketing account, create one using that same email address. Follow the prompts to finish setup, and if the platform asks for identity verification, complete that as well. This may include a few extra confirmation steps, so just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. After you sign in, you'll be able to review the transfer details, check everything closely, including the match, the date, the venue, and the number of tickets being sent to you. Make sure all of the information is correct before you continue. If it looks right, go ahead and click or tap Accept Transfer. Now give the system a moment to process the request. After that, look for a confirmation message showing that the transfer was completed successfully. Once you see that, open the My Tickets section of your FIFA ticketing account and verify that the transfer tickets appear there. If FIFA is using mobile tickets for the event, you may also need to download or open the official FIFA ticketing app. Sign into the app with the same FIFA account you just used and then confirm that the tickets are available there as well. It's a good idea to keep the tickets saved on your device so they're easier to access on match day, especially if you're in a crowded area or have a weak signal. If the tickets don't appear right away, don't panic. Refresh your account or wait a few minutes to allow everything to sync properly. You should also check your email for a transfer confirmation from FIFA, since that can help verify that the process went through once the tickets are visible in your account, and if needed in the app, you're all set and ready to use your transferred FIFA World Cup tickets for entry to the match.